Hey guys, welcome. Today we're diving into the LG S95TR 9.1.5-Channel LG OLED Evo Matching Soundbar with rear surround speakers. Before we get started, don't forget to check the link below for the best price available today. Design and build quality. The LG S95TR soundbar boasts a sleek and sophisticated design that perfectly complements LG OLED Evo TVs. The soundbar itself features a slim, modern profile with a brushed metal finish, exuding a premium look that enhances any home theater setup. The included rear surround speakers and wireless subwoofer are compact and stylish, designed to blend seamlessly into your living space while providing powerful, immersive sound. Audio performance. At the heart of the LG S95TR is its 9.1.5-channel configuration, delivering a truly immersive audio experience. The soundbar features advanced audio technologies, including Dolby Atmos and DTS, which create a three-dimensional sound stage that places you right in the middle of the action. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or listening to music, the S95TR delivers crystal-clear dialogue, powerful bass, and enveloping surround sound that enhances every moment. Dolby Atmos and DTS. One of the standout features of the S95TR is its support for Dolby Atmos and DTS. These cutting-edge audio technologies add height channels to the soundbar, creating an overhead sound experience that brings depth and realism to your audio. The result is a more immersive and cinematic audio experience, making you feel like you're part of the scene. Rear surround speakers and wireless subwoofer. The included rear surround speakers and wireless subwoofer add even more depth and dimension to your audio setup. The rear speakers deliver precise and detailed surround sound, while the subwoofer provides deep, powerful bass that adds impact to explosions, musical scores, and other low-frequency sounds. The wireless design of the subwoofer allows for flexible placement, ensuring that you can position it for optimal sound performance without the hassle of cables. AI Room Calibration. The LG S95TR features AI Room Calibration, an intelligent technology that automatically adjusts the sound settings based on the acoustics of your room. This ensures that you always get the best possible audio performance, regardless of the size or shape of your space. The soundbar uses advanced algorithms to analyze your room's acoustics and fine-tune the sound to deliver optimal clarity and balance. Connectivity and smart features. The LG S95TR offers a wide range of connectivity options, including HDMI IRC, optical, USB, and Bluetooth. The HDMI IRC, Enhanced Audio Return Channel, provides a high-quality audio signal and allows for seamless control of the soundbar with your TV remote. Bluetooth connectivity enables you to stream music wirelessly from your smartphone, tablet, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices, adding versatility to your audio setup. The soundbar is also compatible with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, allowing for convenient voice control of your soundbar. You can easily adjust volume, change tracks, and control other smart home devices with simple voice commands. LG SoundSync. For LG TV owners, the LG S95TR offers seamless integration with LG SoundSync. This feature allows you to connect the soundbar to your LG TV wirelessly, providing a clean and clutter-free setup. The soundbar and TV work together to deliver synchronized audio and video, enhancing your overall viewing experience. Final thoughts. The LG S95TR 9.1.5-Channel LG OLED Evo Matching Soundbar with rear surround speakers is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home audio system. Its combination of powerful audio performance, advanced Dolby Atmos and DTS support, intelligent AI Room Calibration, and versatile connectivity options make it a top-tier soundbar in the market. Whether you're a movie enthusiast, a gamer, or a music lover, the S95TR delivers an immersive and high-quality audio experience that will elevate your entertainment setup. Before you go, don't forget to check the link below for the best price available today. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.